Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you some of the cool activities that will be helpful for you. First we are taking this pattern sheet and we are creating some of the creases with the help of folding and just turning over here and there. See how we created this cute little tiny box. We are going to actually give it a shape of the heart. With the help of this check pattern sheet, we are going to make an organizer that's somewhat rocket shaped. For this you just have to make the folds, twists and the turns. You can just pause the video so that you can have clear look. The creases that are usually created are very helpful for giving the proper shape to the box that we are going to make. This activity is somewhat a little bit time consuming, but it's very easy and nice. Our next activity is very cool and good. It's best suitable for the small kids. For this you may require the pattern sheet of the paper. We have taken here the check one. You can use any other also. Then you just have to follow all these steps and we are done with this cute little carry bag. You can add the bow and the handle. Our next activity is very simple and easy. For this we are taking this flower pattern sheet and we are just folding it. You can just pause the video so that you can follow it clearly. Then we are just making some of the turns. We are going to make the butterfly out of the paper. Butterfly are one of those insects that are able to fly and they are so beautiful and so pretty. You can find them around your gardens because they love to sit on the flowers so that they can obtain the nectar from it. This one is so good. Our next activity is very less time consuming. For this we are taking some of the square shaped different colorful sheets of the paper and then you just have to fold them and make some of the creases and then again you just have to fold. At the end you will be able to create such small little hearts. You can also fix these hearts together one after the other, then you can play with them. This is so good and nice. Our next activity is also inspired from the paper origami. For this we are taking the check sheet of the paper and we are just folding them. You can just pause the video and see clearly how we are performing each step so carefully. With the help of the scissors we are creating some of the patterns. You can just paste this paper origami inside your scrapbook or any other personal diary and keep some of the secrets inside it. This activity is so good. It's time to make a phone holder. For this we are taking this purple sheet of the paper, then we are folding it in some of the sections. After that we are creating some of the crease. This activity is very simple and very less time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Just go for this one. Our next activity is very simple. We are going to show you how we can make heart shape out of this square sheet of the paper in just few easy simple steps. This one is very easy and best suitable for small kids. Bows are very important accessories for packing the gifts, decorating some of the carry bags, decorating your cards, and today we are going to show you how you can make your own bow with the help of some colorful sheets of the paper, glue stick and some scissors. This activity is so good and easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Use the scissors carefully. Thank you for watching our videos.